This Performance Pack rear spoiler gurney flap made with carbon fiber is a great option for 2024 and newer Mustang owners looking to enhance both the aerodynamics and aggressive styling of their Performance Pack rear spoiler. Designed as an upgrade for Performance Pack equipped Mustangs, this add-on provides additional downforce and a race-inspired look, making it perfect for track enthusiasts and street-driven muscle cars. It installs very simply right on your already existing Performance Pack rear spoiler for a quick and efficient upgrade to both the form and function of your rear spoiler. This gurney flap enhances the rear end aerodynamics by increasing the downforce at those higher speeds, which can improve stability and your cornering performance. The carbon fiber construction ensures a lightweight yet rigid structure, keeping weight minimal while adding some strength. This glossy carbon fiber finish complements the Mustang's aggressive lines and adds a premium race-inspired touch. Designed to mount right onto the factory Performance Pack spoiler, this add-on integrates seamlessly with your Mustang's existing aerodynamics for an enhanced but still factory-like appearance. Whether you're on the track or just on the street, this upgrade adds both function and aggressive styling, adding a nice custom look to your spoiler. Constructed from high-quality carbon fiber, this gurney flap offers exceptional strength-to-weight ratio while maintaining a sleek performance aesthetic. The UV-resistant clear coat finish ensures long-lasting durability, preventing fading, yellowing, or any cracking over time. The precision-molded design ensures the exact fit to the Performance Pack spoiler, maintaining an OEM-level appearance and functionality with a custom flare. Now, as far as the pricing goes on this, it's going to come in right around that $400 price range. So anything made out of this quality carbon fiber like this, you can expect a more premium price. But for the aggressive look that it adds, along with the added aerodynamics, the price can be justified in my opinion. Installation on this is easy and very straightforward, so we're giving this a simple 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, and it should only take you 30 minutes tops to get this on your Mustang. This is going to mount directly onto that Performance Pack spoiler using the pre-applied 3M adhesive right here, and that's going to simplify the process and make sure you get a guaranteed secure fit. Just make sure you clean and prep that surface really thoroughly so you can get the best adhesion out of this 3M tape. Now, let's see exactly how this goes with an install video from one of our American Muscle customers.
So before we get started, I'm just going to go ahead and give a nice little good wipe down before I go ahead and use some alcohol pads so that we go ahead and clean it. Now I'm going to go ahead and get some alcohol pads and wipe it down so this way there's some adhesion. Make sure you get the bottom. Give it a few minutes so that'll dry, and then we'll go ahead and take the double face tape off. We're not going to take it completely off. What we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and just take some of it off, let it hang out, put it in, and then we'll just pull it off. So now we're just going to go ahead and install it. You only get one shot at this, so make sure you do it right. Just like that. It's all done.
All right, that's going to wrap up our review and install of the Performance Pack rear spoiler gurney flap made out of carbon fiber for the Ford Mustang 2024 and newer with the Performance Pack rear spoiler. And for all things Mustang, keep it right here at AmericanMuscle.com.